It looks so clear. Gorgeous. And it looks perfect.
It's amazing.
Hey everyone, we're here with Julia from the Gem Academy here at the AGTA Tucson Gem Show. Today's the last day. She's here to pop by and see the latest GemSparkle.
That's why I came.
So Julia, with the GemSparkle, just to quickly go over the features here, we have the different lighting, so white, cool white, yellow, and we have the different modes. So we have a glowing mode, a sparkling mode, so you can move around like that, and we also have a constant mode. Okay. Now I'm gonna try the sparkling mode because I think that's my favorite feature. Let's do that. It's gonna pop it on the lens. This here is a special macro lens. It's a 5x, and I'm just gonna pop it in front, just like that.
That already looks amazing.
What do you think of the results there?
Yeah, it looks great.
Amazing. Yeah, you can see all the facets just popping out. Normally that's very difficult to capture out.
It looks so clear.
Yeah, absolutely.
Can you do film as well as photo?
Absolutely. So we'll be doing film with the record button.
Gorgeous.
I mean, how would you see yourself using this?
Well, I do it to make content. So I do a lot on gem education. So it's so hard to get light into the gem. I'm constantly blocking the light that I'm trying to do. So that it would really just to get those really clear pictures of the stones.
Absolutely.
And it looks perfect.
Yeah, this is so easy.
What gem is that?
This is moissanite.
Oh.
It looks beautiful, right?
Yeah, it does.
It's amazing. Thank you so much, Kevin.
Thank you so much, dear. Really appreciate it.